What is going on, guys? Kind of a mess going on here, but I ended up ordering a new monitor by Pixio, and that just came today. Took about a week on Amazon. I got the Pixio PX277 Prime. It's the updated version of the PX277. So, unbox time? Let's do it. It's kind of a big box. It's a 27-inch monitor. Handy dandy knife. Alright, let's open this sucker. So now that I have a table out here in the garage, yeah. Wonder if this is gonna be a, super red box. Let's see. Got the Pixio. This one was in July of this year. So we got some more tape. Handy dandy knife again. It's dull. This knife is super dull. Super dull. Ooh. It's that nice soft foam. Most monitors should come in that, especially ones of this size. Alright, let's see if I can get it out. Not one-handed, that's for sure. Alright, so a couple things fell out of the box. We have a DisplayPort cable. Pretty awesome. So 1.2. Power cable. Power brick fell out. It's not integrated into the back of the panel. That's fine though. It's kind of a mid-range. We have the bottom part of the stand. It's nice and metal. I can feel that. So I was trying to pull out the monitor and grabbed it by like both sides and then hope the box would fall down. Nah. Nope. Didn't work. So I had to like grasp both sides with my feet and pull it up. Alright, let's get this out. Come on, Ben. Alright, so we got out of the box, from what I see. It's partially put together, so the back piece of this is on, and then the bottom is there. So, nice big panel. 27 inches. Yeah, that's what she said. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, so it came with these two little screws here. You can see. And then on the stand itself, it's just got some holes, triangle, line them up, screw it in. Pretty simple. So it came with these instructions. It was just sitting on top of the panel. Gorgeous panel. So, included items, monitor stand, DisplayPort cable, power adapter. And it gives you a basic installation guide. Very nice. Very nice. Super self-explanatory. Download user manual. These things don't come with manuals anymore. No one cares. Nothing on the back. Alright, let's assemble this guy. Alright guys, so I'm kind of using the further lens, maybe a little bit worse. But, so this doesn't have any height adjustment. This does have about 15 degrees of tilt, which isn't bad. There's no height adjustment like I was saying. This is a very, very small bezel. Let me change this here. Yeah, this bezel is tiny. Very thin. Although I did see a couple other reviews where there is a slight panel bezel on the inside, which is okay. So this is a very sturdy stand, very minimalistic. Two screws on the bottom, screws down. If you want to detach it, push this up and then the panel comes off. Already did that. And then it does have 100 by 100 VESA mount, which is something I'm going to do because I like having height adjustment. Although this is pretty standard height. So back here is pretty cool. So this is the DC in right there, and then uses HDMI 2.0 for 144 hertz, 144 hertz, and if you're using DisplayPort, it's 165 hertz, and it does have a headphone jack, something that you guys probably won't be using, but this is pretty cool. I love this, that they have this actually labeled, because on the older ones it just said HDMI DisplayPort. It didn't tell you which ones to plug into for the faster refresh rate. So this is great. And then here's the model number, PX277P for Prime. And they did change this back a lot. So they made this look a lot more gamery and similar to kind of like how the Asus lines are now, where they have all this angular stuff on the back. Pixio right there. Very decent ventilation back here, in case you're running it at full backlight all the time. I do like this joystick here. This is very similar to most TVs and other monitors nowadays. This is something that you should always look for, especially when it comes to just basic use of the menu. It makes everything easy. So what am I currently using? I was using an LG 24 blah 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 stupid name scheme that was 75 hertz and an IPS panel. It is 165 hertz IPS panel, and currently this is my second. This guy was my second monitor that I had, because I had dual monitor setup. This is a Dell 2311 ultra sharp, so it's a little older, but this will still be my main second screen. Let's see if I can fit it. That's why I'm probably gonna get monitor arms and then stack them here. That'll make everything easier. But alright, so we'll switch this out. Probably put this guy in portrait mode, and then plug this guy in. Let's see. So we got this bad boy set up. I went in here, change the settings, 165. Already saved it. So you can tell though, like, just by looking at this is a lot cooler color. I need to calibrate this, but pretty easy setup. I'm so glad it fits. I really thought this was not gonna fit, but it looks great. And yeah. Alright guys, so I'm so happy I got this. It's such a great setup for me. I'm so glad I got a actual gaming monitor that's mid-range, I would say. So I'll test the actual HDR and all that stuff on here and see how it compares. I'm just glad I have a nice big, a lot bigger monitor. But looks great, easy to set up, so easy to set up. It's great. Came with those basic directions, stuff you could just figure out yourself off the bat. But so far, recommend it. Came packaged really well. Very self-explanatory. And I will see you guys in the next one. My unboxing of the Pixio PX277 Prime. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one. Later.